Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're at Walmart and we're here to do our weekly rebate haul. It's been a little while, guys, and I'm kind of excited. I feel a little rusty, but I'm really excited. We're going to be using Ibotta, Shopkick, Fetch, Coupons.com, the app, and possibly Shop.with if necessary. I do have a weekend warrior for $5 for 18 offers, which is a lot, but I think I can do it. We also have a schools out bonus. Mine is $10 for 42 offers, but I don't know on my other Ibotta. I don't know because I didn't bring my tablet with me. We are going to be using a couple paper coupons, but you can definitely do these deals with no coupons at all, just using the coupons.com app. So I like when that's a possibility, because then that means anybody can do it. No ifs, ands, or buts, but that's all I have. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Sarah and I like to show you how to save money any way that I can. There is a Google Doc linked down below in the description box. It will help you plan your trip or to help you out when you are in the store. So, and of course, if you're not new, welcome back. So anyways, guys, let's go inside and see what we can do. I just found a massive money maker. So these are $3. It'll work for the 6 off 2 on coupons.com, and then there's a $4 rebate on Ibotta with a limit of 5. I'm gonna do this for Shop.with and the coupons.com app, so I'm gonna get 4 of these. It's gonna be like a $16 money maker. Wow. So next we have the Kotex liners. We're gonna grab them for $2.97. We have a $2 offer, a coupon reimbursement on coupons.com, and then we have a $1.50 back on Ibotta, making this a 53-cent moneymaker. And they completely changed my store around. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Oh my gosh. But it seems very nice. I'm gonna do the Dove hand soap because I have such a big moneymaker already. So I am going to grab this Olay Aloe and Eucalyptus for $3.97. I have a $1.50 printable coupon, and then I also have $1 from the coupons.com app, so it's going to make it $1.47. Not the greatest deal, but if you've got money makers, get something you like, and I'm getting this. We're going to grab some Bic Easy Rinse razors. I don't know when the offer popped up, but there's $5 rebates on Ibotta for this, so I'm going to get this, submit it to the coupons.com app for $2, and I'm going to use the $5 rebate on Ibotta, making these free. We're going to do the women's as well, but there's also rebates for this guy here and this guy, but the Easy Rinse is going to be free. So there's $3 rebates for this and $3 rebates for this, and I think $3 rebates for that, but I'm going to get this one here. And then I'm going to use a $2 printable. I'm checking that. I think it's the 25th. We'll see. No. Yes. This one's also going to be free. So we're going to grab the wet ones, the individually wrapped wet ones for kids. They're $2.98. We have a $2 rebate on Ibotta, making them 98 cents, which is not a bad price at all for these. So we're definitely grabbing these. So we're gonna grab some all, and I was gonna get the liquid because the liquid used to be $3.47. Now it's $4.97. Ooh. So the all packs are for 19 counts or $3.98. For 16 count, they're $3.74. So we're going to, well, I don't know. I think I'm just gonna do this one, but these are $3.98. We have a $1.50 coupon from the 521 save insert, and then we have a $2 rebate on Ibotta. Now if you get this one, it's 48 cents, and this one is 24 cents. So I'm just gonna grab this 19-pack one for 48 cents. Next I'm gonna get the Febreze Touch Spray Touch. They got some that are $4.94. So I'm gonna grab this guy right here and give it a shot. and we'll get $3 back on Ibotta, making it $1.94. Not terrible. Next, we're gonna get these double count of Airwick oil warmers for $3.78. We have a $3 rebate back on Ibotta. I don't think there's anything on coupons.com, but there might be. We'll just have to check and see. So we have a rebate on Ibotta for the Downy fabric enhancers. I think that's what it's called. Anyways, it's gonna be for the beads. And like, this has always been my favorite, and I still love it very much, but I can get it quite often. This one over here, I equally love and can't ever get it that often. So this is gonna be $12.97. We're gonna give back a $3 rebate on Ibotta, plus a $4.50 bonus for buying it, making it $5.47. And our Revlon, that's why I got the Revlon to pay for this. So I turned my boyfriend into a monster. So he likes the Chobani creamer now. Ooh, cookies and cream, I bet you that's good. And that's all he wants. He doesn't want anything else. So the Chobani creamer, I'm not gonna point with my middle finger, sorry, is $4.28. Anyways, these are $4.28. We have a $1.50 rebate on Ibotta. We also have 750 buy kicks and 20 scan kicks back on Shop.with. I've done this deal. This is the third time I've done this deal. And so then you're getting back a total of $3.08. So altogether, you're getting back $4.58. So this is going to be free and a 30-cent moneymaker. And guys, he swears by this now. He absolutely loves it. Absolutely loves it. So you know I like to get the mango pineapple tea or whatever, the immune one. They don't have it. But if your store has it, there's a $2.50 rebate on Ibotta for it. So it's a good deal, but like the regular kinds, there's only a 50-cent rebate for those. But the diet green tea with citrus tastes really nice. This one just tastes thicker. They taste the same to me, but that one tastes thick. So yeah, I would definitely pick this up. Hey, there's me right there. Hi. But if your store has it, you like to get it, $2.50 back is a good deal. And I think there may be still $1 back on coupons.com. So these look amazing. I want to thank all the other couponers that got this deal because you definitely influenced me. That cinnamon crumb cake looks so good, and the brownies look good. The pound cake, it all looks good. It all looks good. So I don't know which one I'm going to get, but I'm going to get one of them, and there's a $1 rebate back on Ibotta, making it $1.48. So next we're going to get some garlic aioli, and I've never had aioli before, but when we were in Chicago, I tasted a chicken sandwich with the stuff on it, and it was amazing. So this is $3.48. We have a $1 offer back on the coupons.com app. That's coupon reimbursement. Then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta and get $1.25 back. You're also going to submit your receipt to Shop.with. You'll get back 500 buy kicks and 15 scan kicks, which equals out to $2.06. So this is going to be free and a $1.08 moneymaker. I'll take it and try it. And I'm looking at other things and like, see, they got that right there. That looks so good too. Oh my gosh. Now, there's this Sir Kensington rebate, but I don't have it. I don't have it at all. So I'm just going to take this and be happy with that. Otherwise, I would get that one too, but I have no rebates for it. So I'm going to get some fudge sickles. I love fudge sickles. Ooh, you could do those ones. Actually, you could do any of the Blue Ribbon Classics. And I'm going to get fudge sickles because that's one we all can absolutely love. And this is a 20-pack for $6.48. There is, I have 850 buy kicks and 10 scan kicks, so I'll get 860 kicks back, which is $3.04. So this is going to be $3.44 for me instead of the $6.48. And this is something we would buy anyways. And it's a big pack. There's 20 in there. So we're going to grab the 36 count liners for the Carefree. They are $3.58 a piece. They'll equal out to $7.16 for both. I've seen some people get them for $3 a piece, which is, of course, a much better deal. But anyways, we're gonna grab these and we're gonna submit our receipt to the coupons.com app for $3 plus $3 on Ibotta, making them $1.16 for both, which is still better than paying full price. So we're gonna grab them. Then I went back to the clearance section to look just a little bit more, and this lipstick is $3, and there's $4 back on Ibotta plus $2.50 on the coupons.com app. There was only one bag there. I already grabbed them all. And then this powder here is $1, and there's $2 back on Ibotta, so making it a $1 moneymaker. And then I didn't tell you what this would be. This would be a $3.50 moneymaker, so I probably should have mentioned that. So let's see how many offers we have. And our last rebate is going to be these razors here. They got a different packaging again. Skintimate. Put the Quattro back on it. Anyways, I don't know what I'm thinking, but these are $6.47. We have $4 on the coupons.com app. We also have $2 on Ibotta, making these 47 cents. I also wanted to mention that this also has 75 cents back on Fetch. So this is going to be a $1.83 moneymaker. So this is everything. 18 offers, huge amount here, but it's going to be, I hope it's going to be good, but this is everything we got. We're only using a few paper coupons, mostly coupons.com. So let's go check out and see how everything went. All right, guys, so we are back in from Walmart, and a couple of things. So the first thing that happened was the very last thing that I scanned was that Revlon lipstick. It did ring up full price, but as you could see, it was marked $3. They just wanted to double check that the tag was on the right item, to make sure that, you know, I didn't just stick the $3 sticker on there. But anyways, they did price adjust that for me, but the sticker was on there. It wasn't like a price match type of situation. So that was the only issue in store. Then when I, submitted my receipt to Ibotta, the only thing that I had to verify, because I the past few Walmart videos, I've been telling you guys this, and I think it's important to let you guys know, but the kids' wet wipes, the single individual ones, I did have to verify that offer, but that was the only one. Everything else came out totally fine. And then I did submit my receipt to Shop.with. I submitted to coupons.com and ShopMeum. And then I did also have no issues with Fetch. So all in all, I think it's pretty good. Oh, my coupon for the BIC, I scanned it. It said, set items aside, such and such, whatever. And then I just tried it again and it worked. So our stores still don't have the new system, which is fine with me. But anyways, let's talk about the numbers. So my total for everything after the coupons that I used in the store, my total was $90.78, which is a lot. But then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta and I got back $56.25 on the regular rebates. Then I got back my $5 Weekend Warrior bonus, and I also got back the $4.50 Downy bonus. So when you are submitting your receipt and it shows, okay, you have X amount of offers and for how much, it's not going to show that Downy bonus on there. So don't fret about that. And then I got 10 cents back for doing a Pay with Ibotta, which is formerly known as Pay with Ibotta. Now it's just under the gift cards offer, or gift cards section, where you just buy a Walmart gift card, you pay with that, it counts as an offer. I typically just use Ibotta money and just keep rolling that to buy those gift cards. I have talked about it in previous videos. I've thought about doing like an Ibotta tutorial and all the apps tutorials. There's so many out there already, but I still think it would have some value because, as times change, the apps change. So anyways, I got 10 cents back for that. You get like 0.5% for, for every dollar that you spend. So you have to have a $20 minimum to buy that gift card. It used to be $5, but they changed it to $20. Then I submitted my receipt to the coupons.com app. I got back, or will get back, $20.50. I had the Schick, I had both of the Revlons, I had the Bic, the Carefree, the U by Kotex, and the Hellmann's. I don't think there was any more than that, but it added up to $20.50. Then $6 I should get back on Shop.with for the other set of Revlon foundations that I found in there. I couldn't believe that. Could not believe that. Then I submitted my receipt to ShopKick. So between scan kicks and buy kicks, I had 2,155 kicks. That does convert over to $8.62 back. So that's awesome. That would be for the Chobani Creamer, the Hellmann's, the Fudgesicles. And I think there's one more thing on there, but I don't know. And then I submitted my receipt to Fetch, and I got back 75 cents for the Hellmann's. So what does that make my total for everything? That makes my total for everything free and a $10.94 moneymaker. And I'm getting almost all of that back in actual cash. With Shop.with and the coupons.com, it goes right to your PayPal. With ShopKick, you can get a PayPal card, and it basically just sends $25 or however much you have over to your PayPal. So I always convert ShopKick to cash. And then of course there is the Ibotta, which is of course cash as well. So I'm really, really happy. Really, really happy about that. That's something I've always done though, is always looked for clearance makeup to see if I can get that for a good money maker, and then pay for things like those beads. Those beads, oh man, I love it. So anyways, guys, that is all I have. Don't forget there is a Google Doc down below in the description box. And that's it. So let me know what you guys are getting, and let me know what bonuses you got. So that's it, guys. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day and a great weekend, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys. I'm gonna do this for Shop.with and Ibotta. No, I'm sorry. I'm gonna do this for Shop.with and I'm gonna do this for Shop.with. What's the other one called? So what's that make my total for everything? Well, my total for everything is $10 or